A flood won't wait, and neither do we. Highly trained pros on call 24/7 to protect your Edmond home. First, we secure the scene, complete safety assessment, address electrical hazards, and safeguard entryways and valuables. Next, high-capacity extractors remove standing water fast, limiting spread into walls, floors, and subfloors. Measured drying follows. Super high-powered dehumidifiers and directed airflow pull hidden moisture from wall and floor cavities. We sanitize and deodorize to reduce bacteria and mold risk, then verify with moisture meters and thermal imaging. We coordinate with insurance, detailed documentation, dry logs, photos, and direct communication to speed approval. You'll see daily progress updates, photos, readings, timelines, so you know what's done and what's next. Finally, we restore drywall, flooring, finishes, and furniture, bringing your Edmond home back dried, restored, and on time.